How to fix vibration not working in iPhone 16e. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and click on sounds and haptics. Now scroll down in last, and here you can see the option system haptics. If you turn off your system haptics, then turn it on. After turning on your system haptics, your problem will be fixed. If it still not working, then open settings and then again click on sound and haptics, and here you can see the option haptics. Now click on it. If you select play in silent mode, don't play in silent mode and never play, then select on only always play. After selecting always play, your problem will be fixed. But if it doesn't fix your problem, then open settings and click on general and then click on software update. Now here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After updating a latest version, then go back and scroll down and click on transfer or reset iPhone. Now click on reset and then click on reset all settings. Now here enter your passcode to reset all the settings. It will never destroy any other data like photos, videos and other data. It will only reset your settings. After reset all the settings, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold volume down button and power button at the same time. And swipe this icon to right side for restart your iPhone. After restart your iPhone, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.